Cleaning acorns for storage is essential to ensure high-quality seeds for spring planting. To clean acorns, the seeds are run through a machine called an air leg. The seeds are run up a conveyor belt and dropped down into a shaft where air is blown upwards to help separate the seeds from unwanted materials. The viable acorns are then dropped down to a second conveyor belt where staff sort through to remove any materials the blower did not remove. Debris like sticks, acorn caps, non-viable seeds, which are lighter, and trash are sorted into a separate trailer for disposal. The usable seed is eventually moved from a 12-bushel bin into a 50-bushel storage bin and transported to a cooler where it will remain until planting time in the spring.